let's do a little test. Now, of course, you're used to seeing me in my king of corporate landscape, right? When I'm the Amy Schumer of hair loss. You're not used to seeing me when everyone in the house is asleep and I'm trying to do this video right before I go to bed and, you know, try not to wake up anybody else in the house. But obviously, when I'm doing videos in the parking lot of outside of my 6-story tall building where I work now, it's gonna give an illusion that my hair is thinner than it is. So granted, I've been actually wearing a hat all day, which will make it worse. I'm gonna go ahead and acknowledge it's gonna make it worse because with it being sort of a 2.5 guard at this point, it's starting to mat the hair down a little bit. You know, and I guess next week it especially will be the case. But I do agree that I've got some thinning in here and here. I'm not denying that. And I had already speculated that as my hair started getting longer, because it is thicker here, it's gonna make this look even thinner. I've already said that. But hopefully what you can already see in this video is, you see that it doesn't quite give that thinning illusion, because our good friend Robert commented and he said, it's almost like it's a preview of Norwood 5, what I would look like with Norwood 5 with the way the sun comes down, which again, I think goes back to when you look at all my videos from 2017, or most of them, when I was filming them, most of them outside in the sun, you know, and then I switched to doing it indoors. And I think that made a big difference. And even I myself had not accounted for that, which again, kind of throws up the confusion on, is it true or not that the rosemary oil is working? You know, it could have been that suddenly you started seeing me indoors and so it looked like I was thicker in here and my hair was the right length. With it right now, and again, it's still, there's gonna be an illusion based on the length of my hair, because back when it was a 0 and I just had the stubble, it looked so perfect, it's so evenly, and that's across, and that was one of the reasons I liked it so much. But with a 2.5 or 3 guard, I mean, from here it's fine, right? But when I get up into the camera, which is a very unnatural way to look at a person. In real life, you don't look at other men. Like, by the way, when I'm talking in the camera and I'm like this is what it looks like if the camera was here. I mean, I'm leaning over to where you see the top of my head. It's a very unnatural angle. So in reality, you know, this is really more of what the norm is. But when you imagine, you take this is normal, then take it outside where there's lots of light coming down, and then I'm already like this. It's going to give an illusion. And I think I'm making this video for anyone out there who, you know, is in that situation. Keep in mind that based on the angle and whether you're outside or inside is gonna have an effect on how your hair looks. So, but anyway, I wanted to make this video, and I think it's important as I continue to do my king of corporate videos in the parking lot right off of the interstate. I think it's important that I also do some indoors as well, kind of alongside those, just to kind of see, are we being misled by all the sunlight? And of course, I'm sure I didn't help the situation by wearing a hat to mat that down. So really, the next time I do one indoors like this, I need to do it when I haven't been wearing a hat. Because again, now that I'm getting closer to the number 3 guard, it is making it to where the hat is going to mat this down, the naturally thinner part, and it's only going to draw attention to this being thicker, which only reinforces the concept of that looking thinner than it is. So definitely the lighting can be an illusion, but we'll keep studying this. I'll try to, when I can, shoot more videos at night when I haven't been wearing a hat, so we can try to help figure this out. Because I'm not in denial. If I'm thinning worse than we realize, I want to be the first to acknowledge it. But I also don't want to be misleading just by filming outside and then that giving, you know, a misconception of what's going on. So there we go. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep studying it. And as for now, I'll let you be the judge right here.